Ricoh announces the Pentax 17, the first new film camera from the company in 2 decades. The 17 is available immediately from the Ricoh Imaging website and selected retailers. Links are below. The camera sports a triplet 25mm lens based on the famous SBO Compact, but with modern HD coatings. Much more detail on the Pentax Forums website. Please enjoy these sample images from the Pentax 17. That's all for now from Pentax Forums. We'll have much more when our review unit arrives, an unboxing, and then a hands-on review. We hope you've enjoyed this introduction to Pentax's first new film camera in 2 decades. That's all for now. Fiola out.